Ridgid VT2525 2.5-inch Muffler Diffuser Accessory for rigid wet-dry vacuums, adapter included. Reduce vacuum noise. Plug this into the blowing port of your Ridgid vacuums and you'll have a more comfortable time on the job as the noise is cut down. Included adapter. This will help you plug this tool into different Ridgid vacuums with a 2.5-inch port. Easy installation. All you need to do is connect the accessory to the adapter and push the adapter into the Ridgid exhaust port of your choosing, and this tool will do the rest. Vacuum suction not reduced. You don't have to worry about your vacuum's power being reduced as long as your hose is 20 feet or longer, as this tool just plugs into the exhaust port. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.